In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change trusted or registered device in Wise. If you've switched phones or just want to make sure only your current device can approve logins, this walkthrough will help you refresh your trusted device quickly and safely. We'll start on the Wise web dashboard. Make sure you're signed in through a browser so you can access all the security settings in one place. Begin by clicking your username at the top right of the dashboard. That opens your account menu, where all of your personal and security controls live. From there, go to Security and Privacy. This is the hub for everything related to protecting your account, including session control and two-step verification. Inside Security and Privacy, choose Log Out Everywhere. This action signs you out of all active sessions on all devices linked to your account. It's a simple way to remove your old phone or any device you no longer use, and it ensures nothing else remains authorized in the background. You may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. When that's complete, you've effectively cleared the slate so your new device can become the only trusted one. Next, find the two-step verification section and select Wise App. This choice tells Wise that you want to use the official app to approve future sign-ins. It's a secure method because approval happens directly in the app rather than by less secure channels. At this point, Wise will show you on-screen instructions to verify your new device. Typically, the first step is to download the Wise app on your new phone if you haven't already. Install it from your device's official app store, then open the app and sign in. Follow the prompts to verify. This may include approving a login request, confirming a code within the app, or completing a quick security check. Keep your internet connection stable, allow notifications so you can receive approval prompts, and if offered, set up biometrics for easier approvals in the future. Once the verification in the Wise app is done, your new device becomes your trusted or registered device. Because you logged out everywhere earlier, only this device will be able to approve new logins moving forward. That's it. Clean, secure, and ready to use. To recap, you accessed your account menu, opened Security and Privacy, logged out everywhere, then set two-step verification to Wise app, and completed the verification inside the app. Your new device is now trusted, and you're good to go.